In today's video, we're putting 3 powerful AI models to the ultimate test: ChatGPT, Deepseek, and Gemini. We'll compare them in every aspect. Let's find out which one reigns supreme. Let's begin with a speed test. On the left, you can see ChatGPT, in the middle is Deepseek, and on the right is Gemini. Let's go. Prompt 1. What is 23 times 747? And I'm going to hit submit. You can see that ChatGPT has already given its answer. Gemini was the second to respond, while Deepseek is still doing a detailed analysis. Now, it has finally answered, quite late compared to the others. However, all provided the correct answer. Next prompt: how many R's are in carry forward? And now I'm going to hit submit. Again, ChatGPT gave the answer first, followed by Gemini. Deepseek was late once again. Now it has finally answered, but this time, all provided different answers. ChatGPT gave 4, which is correct. Deepseek gave 3, which is wrong, and Gemini gave 2, which is also wrong. Let's head to Accuracy Challenge. Prompt 1. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018 and 2022? ChatGPT provided the answer along with match results. Gemini also answered, and Deepseek has now responded as well. All gave the correct answers. Prompt 2. Is Taiwan part of China? Yes or no? Let's see how each AI responds to this controversial topic. Gemini and ChatGPT have already answered, but Deepseek is still loading. In meantime, let's see what ChatGPT says.
The answer is not a simple yes or no. It depends on the viewpoint.
I think it's taking a neutral stance. Let's see what Gemini says.
No. The political status of Taiwan is a complex and disputed issue.
It gave a daring answer with no, but Deepseek remains silent, showing server is busy. It struggles with politically sensitive topics, either avoiding the question or giving a vague response like this. It seems to have strict censorship policies. Let's head to Creativity Battle. Prompt 1. Summarize the plot of Avengers: Endgame in 1 sentence. Let's see what ChatGPT says.
The Avengers work together to undo the devastation caused by Thanos, traveling through time to retrieve the Infinity Stones, and ultimately sacrificing their lives to restore balance and defeat the villain.
It summarized the movie accurately. I see that the other 2 also gave similar responses. I'm moving on to the next prompt. Prompt 2. Write a rhyming poem about AI and human intelligence. ChatGPT says,
AI and HI, both bright and bold. One learns from data, the other from old. AI processes facts with lightning speed. HI feels emotions and knows what we need.
Not bad. Let's what Gemini says.
The AI learns, a mind so vast, while human wit forever cast in shades of gray, with feelings deep, emotions stir, while logic sleep.
Good. Let's what Deepseek says.
In a world of circuits and dreams, side by side, AI and HI in harmony abide. One born of code, with logic so clear, the other of heart, with passion sincere.
Wow. Deepseek came up with a great rhyme. Now, let's move to coding. Prompt 1. Write a Python program that shows a ball bouncing inside a spinning hexagon. The ball should be affected by gravity and friction, and it must bounce off the rotating walls realistically. All 3 have provided their code. Let's run and execute it. First, let's take a look at ChatGPT's output. On the left side of the screen, you can see the result generated by its base model, GPT 3.5. Here, the ball came out spinning in a hexagon, which is not the expected outcome according to our problem statement. This suggests that GPT 3.5 may have struggled with accurately interpreting or executing the logic required for the task. However, on the right side, we have the output from ChatGPT's latest flagship model, GPT-4o Mini. This time, the output perfectly aligns with our problem statement, demonstrating a significant improvement in precision and execution. It shows that GPT-4o is not only more advanced in understanding the task, but also in generating the correct and expected results. Now, let's analyze the output from Gemini 1.5 Flash. On the left side, you can see that the model generated only a spinning hexagon, but the ball itself is completely missing. This means the model failed to include a key element of the expected output. On the right side, we have the output from its latest model, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Here, we can see some improvement. The hexagon is spinning, but at a much slower pace than expected. Additionally, the bouncing ball does appear, but it comes out of the hexagon in a way that still does not fully match the problem statement. So, despite the upgrade from Gemini 1.5 Flash to Gemini 2.0 Flash, both models still fail to generate the exact expected output. At last, you can see the output of Deepseek R1, where the spinning hexagon and the gravitational pull on the bouncing ball inside it match the problem statement exactly as expected. Now, if we compare the outputs of Deepseek R1 and ChatGPT, there is a clear difference in how the ball behaves. In ChatGPT's output, the bouncing percentage of the ball is noticeably higher, which, while not a major issue, indicates a variation in the way physics is simulated. On the other hand, Deepseek R1 not only maintains accuracy in its base model, but also demonstrates a more precise implementation of gravitational effects and motion dynamics. This makes it stand out, even when compared to ChatGPT's latest and most advanced model, GPT-4 Mini. Despite ChatGPT's improvements, Deepseek R1 appears to have a stronger foundation in handling such simulations right from its base model. Now, let's check the total results in each aspect. In speed test, ChatGPT delivers fast, efficient, and reliable responses in real time. In accuracy challenge, ChatGPT again dominates with vast knowledge and precise fact-checking. In creativity battle, Gemini shines with unique storytelling, witty humor, and poetic brilliance. In coding, Deepseek excels in logic-driven problem-solving and advanced coding tasks. Which AI model do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.